Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Jonathan. Today is Monday, May 2nd. Right now it's afternoon. I just got off work. I'm currently at my new house right now. I want to quickly show you guys how to install a window blind. I guess that's what you call a window blind. It's not window shade. Window blind. And let me quickly show you guys the window that I'm working on. So the window that I have right here is 70-inch width, and I don't remember the length. I think it's roughly about 43. So 43 length and 70 width. So the length. And I got this from Home Depot. This is the largest one that they have. So this is 72 by 48, so 72 width and 48 inch for the height, this is too long and this is too wide. But it doesn't really matter. Home Depot, they actually cut it for you for free. So I told them to cut it to 70 inch, and then obviously the height, they are not able to cut it. But the problem is that what I noticed from my experience is that if your window is 70-inch width, make sure you tell them to cut it maybe 69 inch, because if you cut it exactly 70, sometimes it might scrape on the window. So frame. What is that? So I had it cut 70, and when I tried to install it, it completely flush with the window. So what happened is it scraped the edges of it, and I actually cut it for free. I'm just too lazy to take it back, so what I did was have a metal cutting tool, and I sort of just cut the edge myself, just trimming it. So anyway, for this video, I'm going to show you guys how to install this. First of all, it comes with all the kits, obviously right here. That this is my first time installing it, but looking at the instruction is pretty straightforward, so I'm going to try my best to show you guys how to do it. So within the kit, you get the mounting tool. You get 3 of these mounting. You also get these cover that pull out the edge on the side of it, and then this goes on the bottom of it. So with the kit, the mounting kit that you have, what you want to do is you want to install it on top right here. So be aware that you do not want it to be all the way against the window, because if you put it against the window, it might hit the window itself, so causing it hard to open the blind. So what they recommend is that you put it closer towards the edge right here, towards the edge. And of course, if you're going to install it in the outside, then you could do it like this. This is only for the outdoor, but since this is for the indoor, so I'm going to be installing it inside. And you have 3 of these, so you want to space it evenly, 2 at the corner and 1 in the middle. And when you install it, make sure that you do not want to cover these machine right here. So if you're going to install this on the window frame, you could put it on the corner, like the corner too, but try not to be right on top of this thing right here. I don't know what the machine mechanism called. Okay guys, so I just want to quickly show you guys what I did. I installed it. This is the middle one. There's one on the corner right there. This one right here. Can't really reach it. And there's a last one right there. So make sure you have this tip right here, focus, this on the bottom. So what happened was later when you put in the window shade on here, you just push this up, and that's how I keep it hold. Another thing that I learned is that when you have them cut, even though I mentioned that this is 70-inch width, you probably want them to cut about, I don't know, maybe 6. Wow, that hurt. You want them to cut about 68, because you also have to put this tip in just for the show, and that is going to this tip is going to be on both sides, so that's going to take up some space. So anyway, let me quickly trim this down more. I'm just going to use a scissors, my metal cutter, to trim this even more, because with this on, it's not going to fit in the window. So I have to cut it manually myself. Okay guys, so I got everything to clip in, as you see. I think that edges still need a little bit of adjustment on this side, but it's pretty much just a clip on. So what you do is you push and it clip on, and the bottom thing, the middle area, you just hold on to the edges of it. If you could see it, I don't know if you could see on this side. There we go. So just, there we go, this. So just hold on to the clip, and the top it actually hooked to the top edge. Kind of flush, I mean this part kind of ugly. But yeah, like I say, make sure you trim it a little bit shorter, because you got these trim piece at the end. So if your window is about 70 width, maybe do a 68 or something like that. Just give it a little bit space. Let me try to push this up. Okay guys, so I actually push it up already. When you push it up, it should have a clip noise. You should hear like a clipping noise. So yeah, I don't know why there's a gap a little bit on that side. Let me quickly take a look. But yeah, if you hear that noise, then everything should be good. Yeah, there's a little bit gap right here, but everything should be good to go. How will I push everything up? So according to the instruction manual, I should be able to just pull this down. Look at that, guys. You just have to push it down. And also it came with a stick. So actually the guy was nice enough to give me 2 of them. I don't know why. But yeah, what you do is you kind of just push this in, and then it should just goes in here and just push. Here we go. You hear that click? And let's give this a try. Look at that, guys. Ooh, this is nice. Okay, according to the instruction, you could actually adjust this. You know how I mentioned that this is a bit too long. Let's see how long it is this. Look at that, 40, what is this, 48 inch all the way down. This is too much. There's a way to cut this. You could just cut this and remove all these and adjust this thing. They have a way to adjust it. I don't really have time to do this right now, but let me show you guys really quick. Oh, it's dirty. I need to clean this up. So on the back, actually on this page, as you see, you could cut this and then remove it, and then what you do is you kind of tie. They show you how to tie this to make it shorter. So but anyway, that's for later on. This is pretty much the video. A short summary. Oh, I also forgot. They also came with these trim pieces. These pieces, and they also came with these plastic. So this plastic is meant to put on the side right here to hold in place, so that when the wind blows, it doesn't flip around. And then this trim piece is for the bottom, where you could put it at the edge right here. Maybe I'll show you guys really quick. You see this opening right here? You pretty much just stick it in and good to go. Voila, like that. I didn't do a good job because I'm using one finger, but you get the idea, right? And then there should be another piece for the other side. For this side. Ooh, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Doesn't matter which side, they're all universal. There is no exactly, so you kind of just push it in. Just try and make it look good. Yeah, something like that. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.